In this tutorial we're going to look at some of the different scanning options in the 2x10. The standard scanning option, when I press the switch, is to scan through all the buttons one by one at a rate of 1 second. To change the scanning options, you will need to refer to the manual, which is available online, to understand all the different button combinations for changing the scanning settings. So first of all, we go into program mode, and then you choose what parameter you wish to change depending on which light is flashing. So there's lots of different options. Just briefly, the first button is to record an infrared signal, second is to record an auditory prompt, third is to choose scanning speed, the skip option, auditory feedback, switch acceptance time, the scanning method, the scanning style, the volume control, and to open up level 2. So we are going to change the scanning method to short click scanning, which is 2, and we leave program mode. And in this scanning method, a short click of the switch advances the scan, while a long press will activate the chosen button. Okay, in this case there's no signal recorded on that button. Another option is to set the scanning speed. So we go into program mode. The scanning speed option is number 3. And then we can press our button depending on what scanning speed we actually require. So we'll choose that speed. Now you can see that and we have to change our scanning method back to automatic scanning. And we can see that the scanning speed has increased. As well as being able to record auditory prompts, you can also use clicks. And to choose that, we choose the auditory feedback option, and we will choose to have the click prompts. Okay. Another option is to enable button 9 as a volume control. So when we get to button 9, we can adjust the volume of the 2x10. By holding the button down. Okay, so we'll just record in some signals to illustrate another option. We're going to record some signals on the first 3 buttons. Okay, so we have CD player on off, we have skip or play pause, and we have skip. So another option in the 2x10 is to skip unused buttons. So we go into program mode, that's option 4, and we will enable the skip function. So now when we scan, we can see that it is only scanning the buttons that we've programmed, which are the 3 CD player buttons and the volume control. And finally, there are other scanning options. The last one we look at is the scanning style. Program mode and the scanning style, and I'll have to refer to the manual for this. There are a number of different styles. It can scan linearly, or it can scan in row column, and it can scan in a format so that you can have the unit sideways. So we're just going to demonstrate that by choosing the scanning style to be 3. Okay, in this option, the scanning is happening in this format, so that it is intended that the unit would be mounted horizontally.